Hey guys, Marissa with Linguabilities here again. For those of you who don't know me, I am an owner of a private telepractice firm and I specialize in doing telepractice trainings and continuing education. So I'm coming to you today with a new resource called the Telepractice Crash Course. And this is specifically designed for people who are just getting started with telepractice and have a bunch of questions about it. So if you're wondering if this is for you, it's not discipline specific. So if you're a speech pathologist, a social worker, doctor, PT, OT, teacher, or even parent, and you have questions about telepractice, please come join us. This is the time to figure out if it is right for you and your family. So what we're going to cover is it'll be through Facebook Live. We will have live webinars where we cover just the basics of getting started with telepractice and how this works. This is really important right now because there's so many people with the closures taking precaution for coronavirus that a lot of schools and clinics are considering doing telepractice, at least as a stopgap measure. And I don't want to say that telepractice is hard, but it does take some research and planning to make sure that your clinical skills are actually translating into the online space. So some of the things that we're going to cover include security features to make sure that you're safe and compliant, technology requirements so that your sessions actually work, how we actually implement assessment and treatment, and finally then some resources that you can take to really hit the ground running. We're going to start our live sessions next week, so please be sure to check us out. Click the link below to sign up and find out more information. For $25, you can get 2 one-hour sessions, and of course, if you attend live, you can come and ask questions, engage with us interactively, or you can watch them later at your leisure. So trying to be really cost effective and give as much information as we possibly can. I'd love for everybody to come and engage with us. If you have any questions about the training, please hit me up, info@linguabilities, that's LINGU abilities.com. Otherwise, I hope to see you guys there. Bye.